One of the simplest method of debugging a blueprint code is print string node. This is a development only node. That means it will be not included in the final shipping build of your project. This node display values on screen and log while the project is running. If you press play, here you can see the message "Hello World" on the screen. And on the log file. This is the first node everyone should learn. It's basically Hello World of Unreal Engine. You can change the text from here. Let's write, "This is my first code in Unreal Engine." If you want the message to display only in the screen, you can untick here. Or if you want to see it in log, untick this. You can also change the text color from here. And duration of display from here. If you run this node inside event begin play, this will only update once when the game starts. Or if you connect this node from event tick, this node will fire every frame of your game. That's all for today. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.